Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is AP Media. So today I want to show you three simple ways that you can use to flip an image on Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so I'm currently using Adobe Photoshop 2021. So the methods that I'm going to be explaining in this video will apply to people who are using Adobe Photoshop 2021 upwards. Okay, so now let's get started. So if you have an image like this, the very first step is to come to file, edit, right? Come to edit and then come down to transform. So under transform, you're going to see flip horizontal. So when you click flip horizontal, it's going to flip to the other side. And when you click edit again, you click flip horizontal, it will flip to the other side again. So you can do the same thing. If you want to rotate, you can flip vertical, it will rotate it upside down. So this is just flipping the element. So flip vertical, let's flip vertical again. It's going to flip it back for us. Let's check another one. We have rotate 90 degrees clockwise. We are going to have this. Okay, let's rotate again 90 degrees clockwise. We are going to have this. So just like that. So that is the first method you can use to either flip or rotate your image. Okay, so now the second one, before I show you the second one, please, if this is the first time you are coming across my videos and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. If you are finding value in this particular video right now, like the video. Have any question for me, drop it in the comment section. All right, so let's go. Now the second one is when you have an element or an image like this, you can look at you can see from my screen here, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 there are 8 anchor points around it, right? So just click on any of the anchor points. You are going to see this, look at this, you're going to see these 3 icons. They are going to come up here. Okay, so and you also see some icons like this. So when you've done that, right click, just right click on your keyboard, you are going to see those same options that we saw from edit. Then you can now do like this: rotate, flip horizontal, flip vertical. You can now flip them like that, right? So this is the second method you can use to flip your element. You still see those options. Now I said you have to right click on the anchor point, because if you have it like this, now I'm not right click on it. If you right click like this, you are going to just see this artboard and these other 2 options. Okay, so for you to see those options, you have to right click on the element. Then you can also see this divide on the image, these lines. All right, it was not there before, but now that I've right click on it, you can now see this option on it. So the third option, right, the third method is to do Control or Command. If you are using Mac, Control or Command T on your keyboard, Control or Command T, like T on your keyboard. All right, you are going to see this same option again. Then when you right click, you can flip horizontal, you can flip, you can do 180, rotate 180, rotate clockwise again is going to bring it. Yes, you see all those options. All right, so this is going to bring me to the end of this video. I hope you found this tutorial very helpful. If you do, please like this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, very important, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will get notified. Okay, so until I come your way again, I am AP Media. Bye for now.